राइट?
Yes.
हम लोग शेयर बेचेंगे इन कंसिडरेशन टू कैश, फॉर कैश ओनली विल बी डीलिंग विद द शेयर्स. Another one is other than cash. So that can be through like we will uh, we will do other things, right? For example, here if you are going for cash, you are issuing the shares with consideration to cash, then it can be issued at par, it can be issued at premium, or it can be issued at discount, right? If you are issuing the shares other than cash, then it can be like right shares, buyback shares, then employee stock option plans. Okay, ESOP, popularly it is known as. And in your plus two, those who are from commerce background, they know these terms very well. ESOP, they have done some problem on partners. In partnership, this option was there. Anyhow, uh, we will see the terms one by one. So, if we'll issue the shares for cash, so we know if you are issuing the shares on the basis of cash, then it can be issued at par, at premium, at discount. What is the concept of at par? When we
एट पार
call
मतलब
the
सर,
shares is issued at par,
जितना इशू
hmm,
किया सर उतना ही सर आता है सर, उतने ही सर
नहीं,
सब्सक्राइब भी होता
नहीं,
सर
वैसा
जो
नहीं.
शेयर का एक्चुअल प्राइस है उसी प्राइस पे उसको बेचना है.
हाँ, the face value price is equal with the issue price, isn't it?
है. फेस
The
वैल्यू इक्वल,
face
फेस वैल्यू
value,
प्राइस
हाँ, इक्वल्स टू इश्यू प्राइस, मतलब शेयर का फेस
इशू
वैल्यू ही है 10 रुपया, एंड यू आर इशूइंग द शेयर्स विथ 10 रुपीज, isn't it? The issue price is
यस.
equal with the face value, so that is called at par, right? 10 रुपया शेयर्स को आप 10 रुपया में ही दे रहे हो. नाउ एट प्रीमियम
सर जैसे 10 रुपए का है तो शेयर को 12 रुपए में बेच रहा हूँ.
12 रुपया में दे रहे हो,
तो
समथिंग
2 रुपए
एक्स्ट्रा,
से
राइट?
प्रीमियम हो जाएगा.
हाँ, the face value is lesser than the issue price, और issue price is greater than the face value of shares, हो गया प्रीमियम. At discount,
सर जैसे
सर
10 है
सर
तो
इशू
8 में
प्राइस
बेच
इज
रहा हूँ.
ग्रेटर देन सर फेस वैल्यू. इशू प्राइस इज लेस देन फेस वैल्यू.
है, देखो अगर प्रैक्टिकल टर्म्स में जाओगे तो डिस्काउंट हम लोग पढ़े थे, लॉ डिस्काउंट में नहीं देता है कंपनी, ठीक है? बट एनी हाउ, अभी तो हम लोग विल डू सम प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू दैट, सो वी विल डू ऑल द टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम when shares is issued at par, at premium, at discount. So let us start with now for consideration other than case, right shares. What is right shares? Any idea? Have you heard this term, right shares? Instead of collecting case from the shareholders, what they are doing, they are giving the right options to their existing shareholders. Okay, company wants to issue some shares, and they give this opportunity or the rights to their existing shareholders that they may they may apply first, right, for the shares. If they may apply first, if it would be fully subscribed by them, it's okay. Otherwise, the balance unsubscribed share will be collected from the public. So right shares hota hai, before issuing the shares to the general public, the company give the rights to the existing shareholders. If they want, they can purchase the shares. Okay, that is right shares. Buyback options. Again, the company is uh, allowing their shareholders for the buyback options, in which company shows that the company don't want to give the case benefit, and they want their shares should be returned back. So that is buyback. Okay, so
हेलो हेलो अरे एक मिनट हॉटस्पॉट है।
Let us continue the process. So in this case, what is happening? What are the journal entry need to be taken care. So remember, first of all, when we are going to issue the shares, the company first give the advertisement, right? So the newspaper or with the help of the media, they give this information to the public, and they want public should give they should apply properly. So when company giving the advertisement and they want public to apply, in that case, they are collecting this amount, total share amount, not directly. Okay, total share amount will not be collected directly from the customers. So what they are doing, they are segregating the total amount of shares into different parts. What are that? They segregate the total share amount into different parts, it started with application money, allotment money, and call money. Okay, they collect the total amount into three category: application money, allotment money, and call money. Now remember, the company maximum they can go for three calls, right? Company maximum they can go for three calls. So that depends upon the situations. Now here let us start with the application. Now the company has given the advertisement, want public to apply. Now when public apply, they apply with the application money. So the first entry related to your on receipt of application with application money. So the company now receiving the application money with the application from the customer or from the public. So the journal entry, basically they used to pass this journal entry, bank account debited to share application, right? Bank account, why bank account? Bank account is an asset, as you know. Okay, so what comes in should be debited. So bank account is debited to share application account, application account. So in that case, what is happening? Jitna paisa application money they have given, all the money should be written in the bank account and in the share application account. You can see here number of shares applied into application money per share. Okay, that is how we'll be writing the amount. Now, next will be on acceptance of applications. Now, after receiving the application money, the company is going to verify whether the application is properly filled or not. All the information which has been asked by the company, whether all the information is properly recorded or not. So all these things they are going to verify if the application is fulfilling all the requirement of the company, if it is as per the that is specification, then in that case they accept the application. Okay, for further consideration. So in that case, when application is accepted, which is fulfilling all the company requirement, then they transfer the share application to share capital. Remember, this is an important term. Transfer the share application to share capital. Okay. So whatever money they have collected against share application, it would be transferred to share capital. Now,
Share capital.
okay. Okay, so all the money, remember, it will be transferred to share capital at last, whatever it may be. Application money, allotment money, and call money, all things would be transferred to share capital. Now, application is accepted. That means now we are going to the next stage, that is allotment. So, in case of allotment, again, there is a chance we may go for share. It can be issued at par or it can be allotted at premium. So, in that case, what we'll be doing? So on making allotment money due, so first of all, again we will say there, okay, your share application has been received, and now please pay your allotment money so that we can allot you the shares. So the company now giving the notice to the shareholder or the subscriber that kindly pay us the allotment money so that we can allot you the shares. So if it is in case of at par, when the allotment money is due, the journal entry will be share allotment account debited to share capital. Remember, this is common for every cases. Share allotment account debited to share capital. Now, in case if the uh, now in that case, if you are going for premium, so definitely we'll ask for the premium. So if it is at case of premium, then share allotment account again debited to, because this is due, so share allotment amount allotment account debited to share capital to share premium, because we are going to get some premium on that, so we are keeping it due. Okay. Now if I'll ask you if it is at discount, then how to do that? अगर डिस्काउंट होगा तो क्या करेंगे उसको? अंकित, व्हाट वुड बी द
Say
जर्नल
debit.
एंट्री अगर डिस्काउंट में हम लोग अलॉटमेंट मनी ड्यू करेंगे तो?
Share
So
allotment
debit.
account debit, discount account
So
debit to
debit.
share capital.
Very good. So discount again, it's a loss for the company, so it should be debited to share allotment account debited, share discount account debited to share capital, right?
Yes sir. तो क्योंकि शेयर
Next,
कैपिटल में तो एक्चुअल अमाउंट ही जाएगा.
इसमें शेयर
शेयर
कैपिटल में,
कैपिटल में तो एक्चुअल अमाउंट ही जाएगा.
हाँ इसमें टोटल अमाउंट जाएगा, ठीक है,
हाँ.
टोटल अमाउंट जाएगा. नाउ we will do that. हाँ, जब प्रॉब्लम करेंगे अमाउंट would be much clear, right? So remember the journal entry, because in the problem we'll be passing the journal entry. Huh? Now next would be on receipt of allotment money. When we have given this notice to the customer or the investors or the subscriber, now they are going to pay us the amount, allotment money. When we'll be receiving the allotment money, this is a common entry, bank account debited to share allotment. Irrespective of anything, right? Irrespective of anything, like whether it is at par, at premium, or at discount, finally we'll pass this entry, bank account debited to share allotment. We received the share allotment amount. Okay. Now, next we have call. Again, we'll ask for the remaining amount, which would be collected through calls. So if we are making a call amount, then again we are giving a notice to the investors that sir kindly pay us the call amount for final settlement. Right? So when we are making call amount due, then the journal entry would be, again it is similar during the time of allotment also, right? So allotment के time जो journal entry हम लोग pass किए थे for due, accordingly we will pass the
Yes.
journal entry on calls.
Share
Here
first call.
call account debited to share capital. See, it can be first call, it can be second call, it can be third call. So due of call amount, share first call amount debited, the call accounts debited to share capital, that is the due entry. Then we are going to receive it. So again, the bank account debited to share calls account. So this is how we makes the journal entry. This is the simple way. This is the fundamentals of this journal entry. Because in between that there are many cases. अभी हम लोग देखेंगे कि हाँ एप्लीकेशन रिजेक्ट हो गया, कहीं पे देखेंगे उसने अलॉटमेंट मनी नहीं दिया, कहीं पे देखेंगे कॉल्स मनी नहीं दिया, यू नो, इन सम केसेस वी विल फाइंड आउट एप्लीकेशन मनी ज्यादा हो गया. So we will see, but this is the foundation, right? Remember this journal entry, which may help you out to solving the problem. Now, again, in some cases, जो मैं बोल रहा था अभी, right? Over subscription, ठीक है? This is just now, over subscription. So we will do with the help of pro rata, right? Now this is just for your idea and for your knowledge that how you're dealing with the oversubscription. Now question comes, what is oversubscription? What is oversubscription? When company wants to issue
तो कंपनी
10,000 shares but got
यस
a
उससे ज्यादा
application
सर
for,
जब पब्लिक डिमांड करता है उसी के लिए
yes, so the issue shares number is lesser than subscribed
सर
shares
मान
number.
लीजिए यस सर जैसे 10,000 शेयर इशू किया तो सर 15,000 का एप्लीकेशन आ गया है
हाँ 10,000 शेयर इशू करना चाहता है बट 15,000 आ गया, 12,000 भी आ गया, so that is over subscription. 20,000 आ गया,
Yes.
that is over subscription, right? Now, so how to deal with that? So for application money received, तो application money तो हम लोग receive कर देंगे, there is no issue because we were not knowing. So application money तो receive करना पड़ेगा. Now after receiving the application money, we are finding out, we discover that अरे यार हम लोग 50,000 shares we wanted to issue, but now we got a application for 80,000 shares. Okay, we want to issue 50,000, but public has subscribed for 80,000 shares. So now it is the case of oversubscription. So after receiving the application money, we could able to understand whether it is oversubscription or undersubscription. Now if it is oversubscription, now क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Allotment
So
money
product-
for application money for allotted shares, right? We have to go for, you have to go for allotment process if the application is correct, and if some excess amount has been collected, if that means excess application, what to deal with that? तो आप लोग देखो यहाँ पे, after receiving the application money, it has two categories: application money for allotted shares and excess application money. जैसे कि I told you 50,000 shares company want to issue, now 30,000, 80,000 applications money they have received, so extra 30,000 है. Now that is the excess application money, 30,000 shares का. So what can be done? It can be done in two ways. Excess application money को क्या कर सकते हैं? Either we may go for adjustment, or what we will do, नहीं हम लोग नहीं दे सकते हैं, we can go for refund. Understood? We can go for two things when there is a over subscription. पहला चीज है we can go for refund. Excess shares जो भी application आया है, we will say we can't handle this, or we cannot give you maximum shares as per your desired, so we will refund or we will reject those applications, extra applications money. So that is called refund. Otherwise, the excess application money would be adjusted. उसको adjust कर देंगे कहाँ पे? Share application में and allotment and calls में. ठीक है?
yes
Excess application money को हम लोग allotment and calls में adjust कर देंगे. So this is how we deal with in the case of over subscription. Now let us start with an example. EMA Limited invited application for 10,000 shares of 100 rupees each. तो शेयर कैपिटल कितना होगा? टोटल शेयर्स कैपिटल यहाँ पे what
10
would
lakh.
be the share capital amount?
10 lakh
10 lakhs. ठीक है? 10,000 shares into 100 rupees. Where the balance amount
30.
will be called for. ठीक है?
30.
All the shares were applied and allotted. All the money was duly received. तो ये केस में क्या हो रहा है? सारा अमाउंट वो कलेक्ट कर रहा है, isn't it? There is no forfeiture. All the amount, all the shares has been subscribed, and all the money has been received. There is no any other like issues we have in this case.
सही इशू एट पार हो गया ना.
हाँ, तो इसमें वही मैं पूछना चाह रहा था, ये एट पार है, एट प्रीमियम है या एट डिस्काउंट है?
पार है सर.
This
Issue
is
at par.
at par.
तो हम भी दिया सर
Okay. This is in the case of at par. Basically, हम लोग इसमें क्या करेंगे? We will do a small workout. What is that? हम लोग पहले देखेंगे at par है या नहीं है. As you have asked, raise a right question. तो क्या है? 20 rupees application, 30 rupees on allotment, 20 rupees on first call and 30 rupees on final call. So 100 rupees.
और मेरा घर में delivery
That means issue price equal with the face value. Okay.
उसकी
Now so far the journal entries are concerned.
तरफ से
क्या करेंगे हम लोग? पहला application money received, bank account debited to application.
जो हम बुकिंग कर रहे
कितना shares था? 10,000 shares. At rupees 20, it is 2 lakh rupees.
क्या है उसमें मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
So bank account debited to share application 2 lakh rupees. We have collected through application. So the narration would be being the share application money received.
आज बुकिंग किया था मेरा तो गैस खत्म हो जाएगा
What would be the next? What would be the next step? Application money should be transferred to share capital.
ये लिया है
Share capital account.
2 lakh जो हम लोग collect किए, it would be transferred to share capital. So share application money transferred to share capital. Now share allotment. Share allotment अभी क्या करेंगे? Next step would be share allotment money due करेंगे. And it is a at par case. So what would be the that journal entry? Due journal entry. Share allotment account debited to
Hello,
share
sir.
capital. हाँ
अब तो मेरा कंज्यूमर का जरूर
हाँ बोलो.
सर बारिक सर को थोड़ा अनलॉक करने बोली ना सर. 2-3 स्टूडेंट सर एक्चुअली सर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम से गलती से लेफ्ट हो गए हैं, तो उनको सर
Okay.
एंटर करना है.
हाँ
बारिक सर नहीं है क्या अभी?
सर है सर, बट से बारिक से शायद कॉल पे है सर. उनका बैकग्राउंड से भी आवाज आ रहा था.
हेलो बारिक सर.
ये कस्टमर अगर आपने बुकिंग करता है तो लेकिन आप लोग को मतलब को ग्राहक को बुकिंग करा देते हो हमारा ठीक है तो मैं चेक करवा देता हूँ मुझे घर में कल डिलीवर कर दीजिए क्योंकि ऐसे मार्च में किया था
ठीक है.
रिवर नंबर में आप जब लॉगिन
ओके.
अब ये दो क्लास हम लोग पूरा प्रॉब्लम ही डिस्कस करेंगे. नाउ so share allotment is due. So share allotment account debited to share capital. Now bank account. Now when allotment money is received, bank account debited to share allotment. तो share allotment में हम लोग कितना पैसा मांगने बोले थे? 30 rupees. So you can see now you are collecting 3 lakh rupees on share allotment. The due was 3 lakh and received also 3 lakh. Now there are two calls, first and final call. So first call due करेंगे अभी. The first call due. So what is the first call due amount? 20 rupees. So the journal entry will be first call account debited to share capital. That is 2 lakh. 10,000 into 2 lakh. Now we will transfer that. When we receive the first call amount, bank account debited to share first call 2 lakh. Now the last one is the final call, the balancing amount, that is 30 rupees. So 30 rupees first of all, the final call amount will be due the shareholders. So share final call account debited to share capital. So the share final call due on 10,000 shares at rupees 30 for shares. So it is coming 3 lakh. After that due, we will after that due, when we receive the amount against that share final call, we will pass this into share final call amount received. Okay. So bank account debited to share final call account, and the amount will be 3 lakhs because that was the due amount. Understood? Any doubt?
नो सर.
कुछ डाउट आया अभी तक? ठीक है ना? So probably again we have these problems with us. ठीक है, so I think it will take time. तो और कुछ डाउट है? डू यू हैव एनी डाउट्स? नो डाउट?
नो सर।
नो डाउट ना? तो अच्छा, now just look at the first question. We will do this problem, huh? We will do all this problem in the next, and we will do only problems. Okay, all the journal entry we will cover up in the next class as well. We will cover pro rata in that class. Okay, so now the first question, could you tell me this is under subscription or over subscription? Which case it is?
So over subscription.
Over subscription. Very good. So it is over subscription, right? So we will do some problem related to that. Now let us call for a day with this, because now it is already 11:45. Next class we will continue, guys. ठीक है अंकित, नेक्स्ट क्लास कंटिन्यू करेंगे इसको.
हाँ सर.
हेलो रोहित.
Okay, sir.
हाँ सर. So let us stop it here, sir.
अच्छा.
So that they will be going for that other program.
हाँ सर.
Webnear.
Actually, Ankit was asking me, sir, there are some other students who left out in between due to network issue.
Okay.
So he was searching for you, sir.
Okay, sir. So